Manuel Lettenbichler of Red Bull KTM Factory Racing commenced his 2024 FIM Hard Enduro Championship with a triumphant performance at the Valleys Hard Enduro in the UK. Lettenbichler, continuing his flawless form from the 2023 season, led from start to finish in the three-lap event, clinching victory at the inaugural round of the 2024 season held in Wales. The Valleys Hard Enduro is a new event in the 7-round series, spanning 3 days of intense racing. The competition kicked off on Friday with a short SuperEnduro-style track at Walters Arena, offering riders their first encounter with the Welsh terrain. Lettenbichler faced significant pressure from rivals Jonny and Alfredo but managed to maintain his composure and secure the win, setting a formidable precedent for his competitors. On Saturday, the riders tackled a 10-kilometer prologue course, the results of which determined the starting order for Sunday's main event. Lettenbichler excelled once again, making the technically demanding course appear effortless. He set the fastest time on his first lap and improved by 1 minute on his second lap, securing pole position for the main race on Sunday. Sunday's race posed a formidable challenge, with competitors facing a 16-kilometer course in dry and hot weather. The event had a winner-takes-all format, where the first to cross the finish line would be crowned the Valleys Hard Enduro champion and earn maximum FIM Hard Enduro points. Lettenbichler, riding his KTM 300 EXC, made a strong start and pushed hard on the first lap to build a lead over the chasing pack. Despite a strong challenge from Tadeusz Kabachiev, Lettenbichler maintained his lead throughout the race. He increased his advantage on the final lap and crossed the finish line over 3 minutes ahead of the second-place rider, securing his first victory of the 2024 season. Lettenbichler described the race as challenging due to the hot conditions and fast pace, particularly on the first lap. He noted the difficulty of maintaining control at the front but managed to build a sufficient gap to ease off slightly and maintain a solid rhythm. On the last lap, he had to increase his pace again due to Kabachiev's strong push, ultimately ensuring his win with a final burst of effort. Lettenbichler expressed his satisfaction with the victory and his excitement for the upcoming Erzberg event. The provisional results for the 2024 Valleys Hard Enduro are: Manuel Lettenbichler, GER, KTM, 2 hours 6 minutes and 57.11 seconds. Tadeusz Kabachiev, BUL, Sherco, 2 hours 9 minutes and 58.79 seconds. Mario Roman, ESP, Sherco, 2 hours 11 minutes and 15.38 seconds. Jonny Walker, GBR, Beta, 2 hours 15 minutes and 18.25 seconds. Will Hoare, GBR, Rieju, 2 hours 18 minutes and 35.6 seconds. The provisional standings for the FIM Hard Enduro World Championship after the first round are: Manuel Lettenbichler, GER, KTM, 23 points. Tadeusz Kabachiev, BUL, Sherco, 19 points. Mario Roman, ESP, Sherco, 15 points. Will Hoare, GBR, Rieju, 13 points. Mitch Brightmore, GBR, Husqvarna, 11 points.